How to clean composite decking the NeoTimber way. The rigours of exposure to changing weather conditions can leave your deck area in need of some TLC, so we've compiled this handy video for decking owners in search of tips on how to clean their composite deck. Our composite decking cleaning guide is designed to cover the essentials on how to clean composite decking, offering step-by-step guidelines for both a general and a more thorough deep clean. Our general cleaning guide. Most decks simply require a washdown after the winter months. The beauty of composite is that it won't require much more than a gentle scrub using household cleaning items. All you'll need to bring back its shine is a soft bristle brush, a hosepipe, a sponge, and a bucket of warm soapy water. Step 1. Clear the deck. First things first, clear your deck of furniture. Tidying the area before you start to clean will save you time and help you reach those awkward spots. Also, be sure to take the time to sweep all debris and surface dirt off the deck before cleaning. Step 2. Clean your composite deck. Mix a bucket of warm water with household soap and use a soft bristle brush to thoroughly clean your deck. Brush the surface of the deck along the length of the grain of the boards to ensure dirt and debris is being removed from the expansion gaps between the boards. Step 3. Rinse down and enjoy. Rinse all the soap off your deck using a bucket of clean water or a hose. This will prevent suds from settling and help your deck to shine. Once your deck has had a chance to dry, simply return your furniture and plants, taking care not to drag them, as they can scratch the surface of your decking boards. Our deep clean guide. Some decks have a harder time than others and accumulate a little more dirt. In this case, a slightly deeper clean may be in order. The tools required for a deep clean are a jet wash, Owatrol Compo Clean, and a sponge for your hard-to-reach areas. Step 1. Apply Owatrol Compo Clean. Once the area has been cleaned of all furniture and excess debris, you are ready to treat your deck to a deep clean treatment. Firstly, apply a thick layer of Owatrol Compo Clean to the surface of your project. Once the entire surface of your area has been treated with Compo Clean, allow around 5 minutes for the cleaning product to do its thing and soak. Step 2. Clean the deck with a jet wash with no greater than 3100 psi on the fan attachment. We recommend that you hold the nozzle of the jet wash no closer than 300 mm from the surface of the deck boards. Any closer and you risk damaging its surface. Clean along the length of the deck boards and pay extra attention to debris that is lodged between the board's expansion gaps. Step 3. Pay extra attention to the hard-to-reach spots. Either remove the surface dirt with a sponge or devote a little more attention to these areas with a soft brush. Avoid using a jet wash too close to edging trims, as the high pressure may result in damage. Step 4. Let things dry off and redress your deck. Once everything has been rinsed and thoroughly cleaned, let your boards dry off and return your furniture and plants to your deck area. For more information, head over to NeoTimber.com. Like what you see and keen to learn more? Why not explore more of NeoTimber's videos or hit the subscribe button? Alternatively, head over to NeoTimber.com to explore our products.